Today I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about these stackable shoe organizers. I will say it did take me a little bit to figure out how to put these together, but then when I did figure out how to do it, it wasn't too bad, so I'm going to do one with you. You're going to get separate panels like this. You're going to get 12 of them. It looks just like this. They are a box shape. So what you have to do is you open these like this, and you really, really want to push it in the opposite way, like this, to really make this square. Then you're gonna see there are tabs up here. When I first got these, I thought you had to just put them straight in. You do not. What you wanna do here is you wanna fold these down all the way. So you want to take it like that and make sure it's kind of like flat, just like this. And then I'll show you exactly what we're gonna do. You'll get 12 of these panels, and then you get doors and bottoms. Everything's wrapped in plastic just like this. I'll finish putting it together, but I kind of want to put together some with you. Very important note here. Once you snap these on, it's very hard to get them off, and I'll show you what I mean in a second. So you want to make sure everything is lined up. So for these right over here, you'll see the tops are the same right over here. The bottoms have these little pegs in them, and that's how they stick together. When I first put the first one together, I had one top with the space and one with the bottom, and it didn't work. I found the easiest way is to go with the bottom first. It doesn't really matter, but remember, we want these two line up one way or the other. You want to make sure the doors open the same way. So what we're gonna do here, we kind of want to emulate this. So we're just going to take this one right over here. And what I have found that's easiest is you hook one in. So you're going to take it right over here, kind of line it up just like that, however you want it. And you just want this to click in. All right, so we kind of have that lined up. We just heard that click. So once you hear it click, what I like to do is turn it this way because it makes it much easier to see everything to line it up. So I've found that you just put your kind of hand right in there and you snap that down and you're good to go. These are 11 by 9 by 5. You can fit a women's up to 11 and up to a men's 9. So now we're going to do the same with the top here. So this piece is on the bottom. So we want to make sure this piece stays on the bottom as well, so we can open the door the correct way. And you'll see you could just kind of piece that together. So for this one right over here, we're just going to make sure it's lined up. And once you hear that first snap in, you're kind of good to go. So we're clicked there, and then I do the same thing. I just flip this over and we're good to go. So this is what it looks like with a pair of women's 8 shoes right over here. I'm a size 13, so my shoes aren't going to fit in there. And this is what a pair of high heels look like in here. So you can get heels in here. Again, these are a size 8. So there is some space right over there too. So you'll see we got this top right over here. And then if you wanted to stack them up, you would line up these right over here. And then you just put that on top just like that. And you're good to go. These doors do open. So these, you almost can get them like this. You probably would have to put them side by side, maybe if they were a size 9 or a little bigger than a sneaker, like an UGG. I don't know if you're really getting an UGG in here unless it's smaller. So just note that. And I do think there is a world where you could actually get like 2 pairs of flats if you kind of put them side by side, or maybe flip-flops or sandals. I think you could do 2, but for the most part, expect to get 1 in these. So yeah, if you're looking for some stackable shoe boxes that are clear, have doors, are pretty easy to put together once you know what you're doing, definitely check these out.